Jose Arnulfo B. Paiveloso, President and General Manager, Government Service Insurance System. Next up, we have the DepEd Division of Muntinlupa High School, represented by Dr. Lilia Erizon Cicero, OIC Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, and her team. DepEd Division of Muntinlupa. Okay, ma'am. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Next up, medyo malayo pong pinanggalingan sa kabilang syudad from the DepEd Division of Pasay High School, Dr. Joel Tito Recampo, Schools Division Superintendent, and current Officer in Charge, Office of the Assistant Regional Director, DepEd NCR, and his team.
Target for the year, and we're halfway into the year. How are you seeing GSIS performance in terms of your net income, insurance premiums?
Alam mo, yung mga net income na yan, parati namin binabanggit yan. Alam ko mga numero, very familiar about what we're going to do. Itong katanong ko, may value ba yan? Sa government employee, pag narinig na net income. Ang may value sa kanila ito. Kayo ba, gumawa kayo ng programa na pag kami nangailangan ng pera, mabilis kami makakahiram ng mas mura sa inyo pag may emergency? Kayo ba may ginawa para kami wala pang bahay? Magkaroon naman ang tirahan. Kayo ba may ginawa na imbis na kami pupunta sa GSIS, makikipagsiksikan sa LRT station, magbabas at mag-jeep, at pagkatapos nun, mauulan na nung mabibilad sa ano, para lamang mag-file ng aming loan? Kayo ba may ginawa kung kami magkasakit na meron kami kaukulang ginawa? Alam mo, I would like to focus our discussion here, specifically the stakeholders. What is the true value of what the GSIS is doing? The true value of the GSIS is to give the ginhawa, the ease of doing business for government entities. Yan ang trabaho namin. Mabigyan sila ng pagkakataon na makita yung UTM sa mga kaya maibigay namin yung papahay na yung rent-to-own o kaya yung lease promotion. 99.6% digital ang GSIS. So hindi mo na kailangan umalis ng bahay mo kung gusto mo mag-add ng physical identification and revalidation. Pero gusto natin matidikit-dikit lahat ng servisyo ng GSIS dito sa mobile phone para kung kami ay halimbawa ikaw nagpunta ka kapagbayad ka ng GSIS mobile phone, susunod yan lahat ng mga insurance, mga beneficio, mga e-wallet na nakakit na lang dyan para sa business. So yan ang aming rules. And of course, the financial performance will always come. The financial performance, I am very optimistic that the financial performance, okay, will be better than last year. Of course, subject to a lot of the economic and political conditions. Kahapon, alam mo ba kahapon, alas 12 ng gabi, I relieved myself. Ano, iron curtain ba nakalagay na nakasarado daw yung Qatar, sarado na airspace. So, ano nangyari? Is this the end of the peaceful life we're living? Mabubuti, nakatulog ako pag-ising ko. Iba na naman ang kwento, tapos na ang gera. But our resolve is to continue to provide benefits to our members, to provide all the ginhawa that
po ba sa inyo at
well, alam mo, when ang sheet sa investments ng GSIS will always be on our loans to our members. We've always been wanting to increase and improve our loans because our objective is to get all of those that are with the private lending institutions to meet with the GSIS and be able to help service them. We give very accommodative interest rate of 6%. Payable up to 30 years, up to 5 million pesos for 14 times your monthly pay. Yan ang aming servisyo na ginagawa.
You said you were expecting better financial performance compared to last year. You have targets in terms of percentage increase that you're looking at bottom line.
Alam mo, ang aming objective parati sa GSIS is not only the bottom line. Kaya parati I always insist on saying that our objective is to provide more benefits to our members. Because unlike any other financial institution that needs to demonstrate how much they have made and how much money that they've come out with a year, our objective is what is the overall ginhawa that our members are able to receive. That is what I would like us to do. Happiness index ang gusto ko makita para sa kanila. Sapagkat ito yung communicate ng mahal na Pangulo natin. May say ka pa sa mga tao. Ito ba ginagawa mo, nararamdaman ng mga empleyado ng gobyerno? Kaya yan ang gusto ko parang sa mga. Tulad niya, 99.6% digital lang GSIS. Ang ginawa niya, hindi mo na kailangan umalis na bahay. Lalo na ang ating mga retirado na kailangan mag-annual physical identification revalidation. Sa kwarto na, sa bahay mo, pwede rin sila makapagawa. O kaya na ikaw, during your lunch break, pwede kang mag-file ng utang mo galing sa mobile phone. Sinisiguro.
So going back on the Middle East